Right, joining us from Dibrugarh is Subina Roy. Kunal Shinde joins us from Agartala, and Muskan Chaudhary is in Shimla. Subina, to you first, how's the Christmas spirit in Dibrugarh?
Yeah, right. Merry Christmas to all the DD India audience out there. As you know, that Assam has the third largest population of people who follow the Christianism faith. And as you can see behind my back, people from all across religions have thronged the church out here. I'm at Don Bosco Church, and they are singing Christmas carols to celebrate the birth of Jesus Christ. And this is a special occasion for the people of Northeast, because Christianism has had an impact in the Northeast, especially in the tribal populations.
Right.
And talking about the Upper Assam, especially in Brahmaputra Valley, there are many tea garden people, who follow Christianity. And I'm right here at Don Bosco Church, where it also has a Don Bosco school, and we have a lot of children from the tea garden community coming up here to come and study.
Right. Coming to you now, Kunal, how is this city celebrating Christmas?
First of all, Merry Christmas to you, Ramesh, and to all our viewers of DD India. Christmas is all about joy and warmth, as we all know. It is about spreading the kindness, love, compassion, and a bond of togetherness. So here in Agartala as well, like every year, we have been witnessing the Christmas festivities is on in full swing. People over here, like we are now at the Mariam Nagar Church. It is one of the oldest church in Agartala and Tripura, if I may say so, because this particular church was built in the year 1954. This was built by the migrants who came all the way from Goa. They were Portuguese, and around 16 men they came from Portuguese. The then dynasty Maharaja Bir Bikram Manikya Bahadur. He was the one who brought the 16 sailors all the way from Goa to work over here, and they were the ones who constructed this church. So people from various walks of life, from Agartala as well as from different parts from the surrounding area, they throng at this particular church. Now it may look little bit like vacant, because people are coming in small groups, in lesser numbers. They're coming here to take the blessings of Lord Jesus, to see the decoration, the beautifully decorated church out here. And but tomorrow, as we all know, like what we get to know from the locals over here, it will be jam-packed. Like there won't be any space for anyone to even stand out here.
Indeed, and going across to Shimla now, where Muskan Chaudhary is standing by. Muskan, give us a flavor of the Christmas celebrations where you are.
First of all, I would like to wish the team of DD India and all the viewers who are watching DD India right now, I want to wish everybody a Merry Christmas. And let me tell you, Shimla is completely under the magic of Christmas Eve. People are enjoying, and they are coming from all over the country to celebrate Christmas here. And I'm currently standing on the historic ridge, and behind me is the Christ Church, which is beautifully decorated. And people are not only enjoying Christmas, they are not only celebrating Christmas, but they have come for the Winter Carnival as well. The Winter Carnival has started today. The Chief Minister of Himachal, Sukhwinder Singh Sukhu, has inaugurated the Winter Carnival today, and it will run till 31st December. And I guess behind me you can see the people who are very happy and they are dancing. So the vibe of Shimla is totally a total festival vibe right now. People are enjoying themselves, and they are coming, and the families are coming. The streets are also decorated, so it's like a huge carnival that is being celebrated.
Absolutely.
Today.
On that note, may I thank all my colleagues, Subina Roy in Dibrugarh, Kunal Shinde in Agartala, and Muskan Chaudhary in Shimla. Thank you, appreciate it. And Christmas greetings to all our viewers who are celebrating it around